Hello, good day everyone. Today I would like to explain about the outdoor units piping installations. Many workers they are confused about the installation with the vibrance joint. They concern that at this vibrance joint we install the 500 mm at the vibrance joints, but for the other units case, we don't need to install that. You can go to see the actual installation together. Okay, here's the vibrance shown here, and the bending is from here at around 150 millimeters, and then we bend it to the connection to the service bar here. Yes, for the outdoor unit, we don't concern about the piping from here, but we concern about the length from here. So as you see, for the outdoor unit, you see it's longer from this one until this one. It is long enough. But for the wiper here, we don't concern it.